Walmart just announced some big changes coming with drones coming to more cities as Walmart intends to expand its drone fleet to speed up delivery and take on Amazon. We'll break this all down and more in a quick second, but I'll put a link to the story I'm about to talk about from Retail Dive in the show notes and in the first pinned comment, so you can view it there, come up with your own opinions. I want to hear from you. If you like what we do here, I've been a reporter for over 12 years, and here on my second channel, I like to break down stories like this that I find fascinating. I think there's a little bit more to under the surface than what just you may if you quickly read it. If you like this, I have a ton of videos on my channel here just like this one, and hopefully we can help you learn something about the world around you. So what's happening here? Well, Walmart just announced that they are expanding their drone delivery program to 7 more cities. Now, once again, it's more major cities out there, including New Orleans, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Diego, and San Francisco Bay Area, along with Salt Lake City and Memphis, Tennessee. Now, what they're doing here is they're going to bring rush delivery, and I've done this before. After I had my surgery with my hip replacement, I got home after being in the hospital way longer than expected. And they say, get all this stuff. Well, I don't want to go to the store to the hip replacement. I'm just going to Walmart, deliver it to my house, get everything I need, and be good. And a delivery like this is a great way. They promise much faster delivery time within as little as 30 minutes to get a product dropped off at your door. With it, you can tell them to drop it in your driveway, backyard, front yard kind of area. The drone comes, hovers over, and drops the package where you told it to drop it. With this, Walmart hopes to continue to expand it out as they try to speed up delivery. Walmart's been doing a lot for that. We just talked about how they rolled out purchasing a bunch of small old CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aids and stocking them with some of the most popular items ordered in neighborhoods, because a lot of these stores are placed in busy neighborhoods to help them speed up delivery of the most popular items to you. Walmart's also converting many of its stores and remodeling them to expand the delivery and pickup area. Maybe this is just where I live, but I feel like a lot of times when I physically walk into Walmart, there's more Walmart employees shopping for items for online orders than there are actual Walmart employees. Anybody else experience that? It definitely is busy. Seeing them expand the pickup and drop-off areas and more with it all has led Walmart to really invest in this. And to do that, they're remodeling their stores to have larger areas inside the stores to manage pickup and delivery orders. One of the big problems Walmart has that Amazon and others don't have is the last mile delivery. Walmart relies on their Spark drivers, independent drivers, to come pick up orders and then deliver it to your home. And with that, that's been tough. I've more than once on busy times of the year found myself unable to get a product because Walmart can't find a driver to come deliver the products to me. Well, with that, that hurts their ability. Taking a lot of the load off for the smaller orders. Now, this won't deliver all your groceries by drone. This is more like, hey, you order 2 or 3 small items, they put it in a box, and they throw it in the drone and deliver it to you. For example, like I needed waterproof bandages and some other stuff after having my hip surgery that I did not have. So I just Walmart ordered them to my door. That is the exact kind of situation they're looking for. Also think about prescriptions and other items delivered to your door via drone, depending on what the prescription is. Amazon is also launching their own drone program and been expanding it in areas of Texas and more with this. Even though it's on this list, when I was visiting Florida not that long ago, the local Walmart had a whole area in their parking lot dedicated to drone launches for the delivery. Unfortunately, I was staying outside that delivery window for now. Walmart's delivery windows can be relatively small, but Walmart's been expanding them with larger drones pending FAA approval. Look for more and more drones to become popular, and your neighborhood could soon begin them. Whether it's from Walmart or it's from Amazon, the two companies are both competing to get faster delivery. They want to be the place where they can say, hey, it's actually faster to come to you with a delivery than you come into the store. Walmart has dominated in-person shopping and still does for a long time, but Amazon's dominated online shopping, and Walmart's been trying to chip away at that by offering improved website performances, getting more third-party sellers on there, and offering more managed deliveries like this, using drones and other delivery options to get it to you even faster. Where 30-minute, 90-minute, 60-minute windows are becoming more and more popular, Walmart even has options for in-home delivery if you sign up for it, where they'll even help you carry your groceries to your kitchen, for example, with this. All this put together is a tick-for-tat battle between two major companies. Amazon is building their own supercenters now, starting in Chicago, to try to compete with Walmart, and Walmart's building their own drone delivery to try to speed up drones there. Look for both companies to really focus on the speed of it. They really want to be that place where they can get you the stuff and get it to you quickly when you need it. Put it all together, Walmart is hoping the fact that they can leverage their huge network of Walmart stores to act as distribution centers for delivery will help them grow online sales and compete better with Amazon. They've seen dramatic growth in recent years. Now the question is, can they keep that up or not? Keep an eye on a few things. Walmart has a new CEO. That CEO has been clearing house, pushing out a lot of the older executives and bringing in newer ones with new ideas. And they've really listed delivery as one of the main things they want to do, improve store experience. They're doing a massive remodel of their stores. And one of the people leaving is the e-commerce executive. The person who's been in charge of all this growth is leaving, and they are bringing in somebody new. What does that mean? New people like to put their stamp on things like this, and it'll be interesting to see what Walmart does with its new executive team on this. Can Walmart overcome Amazon? Well, that's a good question. Walmart and Amazon are both competing to take over each other's markets. Amazon wants to dominate not just online, but in store. Walmart wants to keep dominating physical store sales, but also dominate online sales. And it's really becoming a two-man race in the country. While places like Target and others do have online orders and delivery, Walmart and Amazon by far dominate both fields, with the vast majority of sales in the United States going through one or the other. While there still are many other players, it's kind of like this. It's like Walmart and physical stores, Amazon online, and then everybody else. The huge gap between Walmart and Amazon in sales versus a Target, a Best Buy, a Costco, and more. While places like Target and Costco are doing great, it's hard to compare them to Walmart and Amazon's dominance. Leave me a comment, let me know. Would you get a drone delivery? I would. No question about it. Would love to check that out. But check out the show notes, and in the first pinned comment, I'm going to put a link to the story I just talked about so you can read it for yourself and come up with your own opinions. Like I said, we've been trying to grow this channel here. It's my second channel. In a moment, you see a little pop-up here for my main channel, Core Cars News, where I break down the world of streaming media and more, trying to help you watch the shows you enjoy, but save money as you do it. Break free from the high cost of cable TV and more. Check that out. Link in the show notes here and also on the screen to subscribe to that. Well, a huge thank you to everybody for your support. You can find the story I just talked about in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. And until next time, take care, be safe. I'll talk to you all again real soon.